First of all, good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining the our first session today. So today, little bit talk about the what is SAP, what is basis, what is our roles and responsibilities in a organization. So then we'll discuss about the some differences between the ERP, SAP, list of SAP products. First of all, what we do in a real time. So these and all the things we'll discuss in the today's class. This is about the today's agenda here. So SAP, right? Here the many of the knows already what is SAP, right? So I hope many of the people don't knows about the SAP here, right? So what is SAP? So SAP is a global leader in the enterprise software here. So first of all, abbreviation wise, if I talk about the SAP is a systems application product in business data processing here. So SAP is a system. So systems applications and the products in business data processing here in a business data processing. So in a business we want to process your business data. You need a SAP application is required, system is required, one application is required, SAP application, one product is required, that is called the ERP product is required here. ERP product is required here, right? So that is the main thing here, right? Is a global leader in the enterprise software, then software related to the services. It will provide the services here. SAP provides a range of solutions for the organizations to manage their business operations and business support and customer relationship and supply chain and finance, sales, accounting, so HR, so many related services it will provide it here, right? So if I talk about the history of the SAP, 1972 SAP was founded in the 1972 by five ex-service IBM employees. Five ex-service IBM employees, German people, ex-service IBM people. So they have so founded in the 1972. The first software they have released on the, so the architecture is called the SAP R1 architecture. With their finance accounting system, the first product was a financial accounting system called the SAP R1 architecture. R stands for here the real time, one for architecture, one architecture, two tier architecture, one tier architecture, like this. Over the years, after that, over the years, SAP has expanded its product portfolio and the global global products and everything they have released it here. SAP so released, so over the products after the R1 architecture, over the years, SAP has expanded its product portfolio, the global presence through the strategic and innovations. They have many products SAP released into the market here, right? So after the SAP R1 architecture, so they have released the R2 architecture. Then what is the R3 architecture? So now we can know what is that S4 architecture, S4 HANA systems, right? So R1, that is the initial product they have released into the market. So real time one tier architecture. Then after that, two tier architecture, client server architecture, they have released it here. Two tier architecture, application and operating system and application. Then after that, they have split the database. Then we have the presentation layer, application layer, database layer, like that, the R3 architecture. Now S4 architecture, which means it's a simplified fourth generation business suite. Simplified fourth generation business suite that they have released into the market here, right? So SAP offers a wide range of, so someone saying that they are unable to join. So SAP offers there the wide range of services so and solutions to the market here. SAP. So there are wide range of services and solutions into the market here, right? So what is this solutions? SAP solutions here, right? So they have initially in 1972, remember that word, the first SAP was founded in the 1972 Germany, right? Why? Because they are the German people here, right? So then, so here the first product that is called the SAP offers a wide range of solutions for the various industries, various business functions, including the ERP, so including ERP, then including then SAP CRM and SAP so SEM and SAP so Hana. So they are the multiple solutions they have released into the market here, wide range of solutions here, right? So SEM means supply chain management here, a solution for managing the supply chain operations, procurement, right? Production, planning, logistics, everything will cover under this solution here, right? CRM, customer relationship management here, a solution for managing the sales, marketing related activities here. So then this is the integrated suite for the applications for managing the business operations, finance, logistics, HR, manufacturing, so many areas, so research, scientific, many areas this ERP softwares will cover it here. Sir, here I heard that there is a new word I can see, ERP, and there is a SAP here, ERP and SAP. Then what is the difference between the ERP and SAP? Right? What is the difference between the ERP and SAP here? So SAP and ERP often used interchangeably, but they are not the same thing here, right? So ERP refers to a type of software that helps organizations to manage their business operations. ERP, the abbreviation is so enterprise, so enterprise resource, the planning, which means to plan the resources within the organization. Enterprise means organization, resources plan. To plan the resources within the organization, you need a ERP product. ERP product means SAP. So SAP has multiple products: SAP ECC, BW, CRM, SRM, right? Supply chain management. There the many are there in the market. Many are there in the market here. Many are there in the market, right? So that is the ERP, right? It's a type of software that helps organizations to manage their business operation. Business means finance management, accounting, capital management, supply chain management, right? CRM. So ERP software, ERP is a software. So right, so that integrate various functions into the single system, providing the view of organization here, right? So that is the ERP. Under the ERP, your SAP will comes into the picture here, right? System, application and products in business data processing here is a specific type of ERP. SAP is a specific type of ERP software that is developed by SAP SE, is a software vendor, is a multi software company here in a German here. SAP software provides a range of functionalities that I said, like ERP, CRM, HCM, HANA. There are the many things. SAP, there are the many products, almost 100 plus products SAP they have released into the market for our business, our day-to-day business. They have released into the market here. There are the many products here. So in that if I talk about the SAP 1972 as a private partnership, with a private partnership SAP released into the market. So the company traded as a SAP, and also they are serving the industries are called the enterprise business software, cloud computing and also consulting related service also SAP is providing here, right? So and also here the products, if I talk about the SAP products here, so the product SAP product what they are providing, as I mentioned here, 100 plus products they are providing to their business here, right? So here if I talk about the product here, SAP S4 HANA, right? And SAP ERP, then SAP CRM, then SAP PLM, so SAP, then success factors, SAP, so HCM, then SAP BW, then SAP HANA database related services also, SAP Ariba, then SAP, so cloud platforms, SAP Hybris. So there are lot of products SAP released into the market, which means depends upon the your business, respective product, respective software, respective application you need to install for your business here. Depends upon the product, depends upon the business. Suppose if you have the so HR company, then you can go with the success factor and HCM. So if you want to warehouse management, you can go for the business yeah, BW or EWM here, Ariba, right? Ibris. So then so customer relationship management, right? So this is the for the managing the all the business operations, support operations. You can go with the finance, sales, SD. They can go for the manufacturing. They can go for the these two products here. So it depends upon the business. You can go with the respective software, respective product you can install for your SAP here, right? So here the ERP stands for enterprise resource planning. It's a the broad category of the software that helps business to manage the core process here. Every business, if you take the food business, then the core process business functions to business function for that business, right? They need some business functions to function their business operations and everything here, orders, payments, right, reversal and everything that's required. The one application is required to book the order, that is called the ERP application, means SAP here. So ERP systems can help business streamline the process and so eliminate the redundant of the systems and everything here, right? So ERP, which business? Finance, HR, manufacturing, supply chain management, sales, procurement, all the business here, right? In that SAP is a German company, one of the software company. SAP is a German multinational software company that develops and sells the ERP software. Means ERP is part of the SAP, right? So it's a product of SAP here that used many organizations worldwide. They are using the ERP. SAP is a leading the ERP software, leading the ERP software. Nowadays, if you see the many companies, many organizations, many business process, they are using the SAP. They are using the SAP for their business here, right? That is the main thing of my main thing here, right? So here, if I talk about the types of products, right? So ERP, so we have the projects, number of projects depends upon the projects, depends upon this one, and then the each system there are the types of roles we have. Types of roles means, so we have in the SAP industry we have the basis team, we have the security team, we have the basis security, right? We have the functional functional side means FI, CO, SD, and so then AP, then AR accounting, and so they are the HCM, so they are the ABAP, so then many functional, then SAP ABAP is the SAP ABAP is the functional for development. It's a development. Then so end users who will use the business here, end users. So like that we have the number of teams are available in a organization here, right? So basis team is compulsory for the each and every organization, each and every business, each and every company. Basis team is the core team here. right? Why? Because the activities which we are performing in the SAP systems, that is the critical activities we are performing here, very critical activities which we are performing here. That's why basis is the IT technical foundation that enables SAP applications to run smoothly here, smoothly, right? Which means we are the main team. Suppose without basis team, no one will install the SAP systems. Without basis team, who will manage the SAP systems, operation changes, upgrading the softwares, stopping, starting, restarts, parameter configure? Who will do this kind of things? No one do. Only basis people means we are from the basis team, right? We are the from the basis team here. So here basis administrators, we who uses the SAP means basis administrators are the responsible for the maintenance, upgrading, monitoring, troubleshooting, and resolving the issues with the SAP services. If any address the security related issues, we will do that one here, right? That is the main thing of the basis here. So what the basis will do? Ensure SAP systems are running smoothly and consistently here. So manages the communication between the application and the databases, and performing the administration tasks, and support the SAP systems. Ensure all SAP systems and environments are working properly with the capacity, with respect to the capacity. This and all the things we will do it in the as part of the basis here, right? So here our role is technical role. We are not going to write any coding. We are not going to write any text scenarios, functional related activities and everything. So we are the full technical part here. We are the core team, full technical. We are going to discuss here, right? So here the main thing is here the basis is required is some logical thinking, technical thinking is required. That is very important. Suppose system is not working, maybe your phone is not working. What do? You do the some troubleshooting steps, right? Similar troubleshooting steps are more than that. You need to apply in the SAP side. Definitely you can fix the issues here, right? Your phone is not switching on, then you may check the whether battery switch off, switch on, turn on. You will do some basic troubleshooting. So that kind of thinking is very important in the basis industry, basis areas here. Why? Because every day the servers are continuously the servers run, right? Business will run 24 by 7. Then so not sure when the issue comes and everything. So then we need to, if any issue comes, we need to proactively check the logs, and take the respective actions, ensures smooth operations of the business based systems and everything here, right? So that is the one thing here. So, and one more thing here. So SAP is not only just like a technical modules. We are not only just technical modules here. We have functional modules also available in the market. Not only just technical, we have the functional modules also available. As I mentioned here, FI, CO, SD, there the multiple team members are there. They will do their respective operations they will perform in the marketing industry here in the SAP estate. The SAP estate, we are not only just one person to do the all kind of activities, and we are only one and army. With us we have the multiple teams are there, right? So each team there is a respective responsibilities are there to perform their operations and everything here, right? Each team. So here the functional team, the business team mainly, they will, after the we done our work, after we done our work means after we completed our SAP related installations and basic configurations related activities here. After we do, then the functional team, development teams will comes into the picture. Then they will perform the respective operations in the system. Here they are the some core core functional teams are there here, core functional modules that we will call it as the core functional modules here. That is, every business there are some core functional module. Finance, SAP Finance, FICO, and controlling, sales, SD, success factors, HCM, so human capital management, and developers. Developers also required to do the customizing of the SAP screens and everything. Developers also very important thing. They will perform it here, right? So that is the main thing. That is the very important thing here, like finance. So controlling those things are very important here. Here, what they will do, if I give the SAP modules, some overview of the each and every area, what they will perform it here, right? Why? Because we should know what they are doing in the SAP systems here. Suppose if I talk about the FI, if I talk about the FI, the finance accounting, this module people they will provide the comprehensive financial management system that enabling organizations to manage their financial transactions, accounts, reporting, everything they will perform it here, the finance accounting module here, right? And co means it's kind of a controlling. Co means it's a controlling here. Co people they will manage their cost, revenue, and the tools for the cost accounting, budgeting, financial planning, everything they will perform in the co people here. So what about the material management people here? So it's a responsible for managing the procuring the inventory, logistics of materials, goods, right? For purchasing, inventory management, this kind of things will be done by the material management people here. Then sales and distribution here, SD people here, right? Sales and distribution of the process here, order management, pricing, delivery, this kind of things will be done by the so delivery, right? So then the logistics and execution, logistics. So here, so managing the physical movement of goods, transportation, warehousing, and delivery. So this kind of things will be done by the logistic people here. And PP, production planning here. What this functional team will do here to manage their production process, including planning, scheduling, controlling the production orders and everything. They will perform the PP people here, right? So QM, quality management here, right? QM is responsible for ensuring quality of the product, quality of the services, all testing and everything will be done by the quality management. These people are very important here. Suppose for your product based company, so the product, one product you delivered means that people are responsible for ensuring the quality of the product and services are and testing certifications related. Those are the very important here. The PM means it's a plant maintenance here, right? So then managing the maintenance of the equipment, machinery, equipments, and assets. So this kind of things will be done by the PM here, right? There are the PS, project systems here, right? It's a this is the one of the module also, project system also manage. It will manage the projects from initial to the completion of the projects, execution, planning. There is a project systems, SAP PS projects. So HCM, that human capital management. It's a comprehensive module for manage the human resources, all the aspects of human resources, personal administration, payroll, timesheets, training, leaves, everything will be managed by using the this SAP HCM. These all are the SAP product. Depends upon the business. You can use the respective SAP solutions. You can use it here. So the benefit of this all the SAP modules, the benefits of the all the SAP modules here, it will improve the efficiency, decision making, and transparency, and it will reduce the cost, optimized process, and reduced the all the cost and time saving and everything here, right? To implement this all the functional modules, there is a types of projects here. So implementing the all SAP modules require the carefully planning and configuration and testing, and that everything is required. That is essential to work with the experienced consultant. That's why people always look the experienced consultants and partner to ensure smooth implementations and providing the ongoing support and maintenance activities here. That's why always in the SAP industry, so rare cases there they look for the freshers and they will give the training, but always they look for the more experienced consultants here. Why? Because for implement, especially for the implementation perspective, they will look the always experienced persons here, right? That is the main thing of the here, right? So that is the most frequently used functional modules in SAP estate. Okay, so that is the one here. And here the we can also S4 HANA nowadays. Actually the first architecture, if I talk about the, so R1, after that R2 architecture, then R3 architecture, now S4 architecture here. So like that SAP keep on changing their SAP architectures and everything here, right? So now SAP is a three-tier architecture. It contains the presentation layer, then application layer, and database layer here, right? Presentation layer means here we are here, right? Our SAP GUI, we are here. Then SAP GUI and logon pad here. Then this is the SAP application, and this is the database we have, DB database here, right? So here we will learn about the SAP application related topics as well as the DB related topic also we required here. Why? Because so none of the functional team, they are not aware of how to implement the SAP systems, then how to install it, what softwares and OS operating system database they don't know. Only thing is, as a basis consultant, we should know about the databases related things and SAP related things. We need to install the database, managing the DB related topics and SAP related topics. Then we will hand over the system to the functional team. Then functional team will perform their functional operations and functional related work and everything. That's what they will do it in the market here, right? So that is the so main thing here. So SAP offers a range of solutions to streamline the business process also. SAP offering a range of solutions to streamline their business process, including purchase to pay, so purchase to pay and order to cash, plan to produce. So this kind of the business process they are providing to the customers. This kind of business process they are providing to the customers here, right? That is the main thing here, right? So they are the most important business process here. Just want to inform this one, they are providing the wide range of business process to the customers here. One is the purchase to pay, purchase to so pay processing here. Then the second one is the plan to produce, plan to so produce processing, then order to cash. So these are the business processing, these are the business processing SAP is providing to the customers here. So they are streamlining the all the business process with SAP. If we want to streamline the business process with SAP here, SAP offers a range of solutions to streamline the business processing, including like purchase to pay, order to cash, and everything here. Purchase to pay means what? It involves entire the entire procurement from entire procurement cycle. Like purchase to pay means procurement cycle, like purchasing the goods, services to the services and paying to the suppliers, and SAP can support this kind of things here, right? So that's why SAP is providing the SAP Ariba S4 HANA entire life cycle. SAP is providing this business process here, right? Plan to purchase means the production planning, right? And production planning and execution the process from planning to scheduling to the production delivery, this kind of things like SAP ERP and S4 and a normal our business operations and everything. Order to cash, order to cash means order receipt to the cash receipt, means from order receipt to cash receipt here, from ordering to giving the cash receipt, that kind of things here. Here S4 HANA CRM systems, they will use it here, the business process here. So these are the SAP, these are the business process SAP is helping to the customer their businesses, right? So purchasing to the pay and plan to produce and order to cash, right? So these are the main things of the here, right? So here coming to the our scope of work, but no one asked these questions in the marketing, but you should know. But coming to the our scope of work and what the things are we are going to discuss here, we are going to discuss on the, so first types of implementation project. Why? Because to install the systems, then we will discuss about the implementation project, then support projects and rollout projects. So these types of projects, then implementation types and support work, what we have to do in the support work, and real time issues, what we do in the real time, this kind of work we are going to discuss here, right? Here we are going to discuss on the SAP ECC and S4 HANA systems, and DB is the SAP HANA database here. And our daily, we will start with the daily 1 hour class here, right? So remaining hours you can practice it here, you will get the server access and to practice the installations as well as the support kind of things, you can practice it here, right? This is the our way of working. And coming to the timings, so I'm thinking this is the timings. So if anyone has any concerns, you can raise it so that we can again recheck the timelines. I thought of this is the summertime, right? This is the best possible time, 6 a.m, so that early we can finish it. There are the many working employees are there, so that they can complete their sessions in the after the 7 they will be free and they can start for, so office works and other things. So what do you guys suggest?